Hey, welcome back! My name's Pasco and today we are troubleshooting the Martin Mac Axiom. This Axiom hit my workbench with no power at all, so the first thing I'm going to do is strip it down and see if there's any internal damage or see if anything came unplugged. I don't see anything immediately, so I'm going to test the ballast. After swapping the ballast, there's still no power, so let's check the fuse. This fuse is toasted. Here you can see the difference, so I'm going to replace it. With the new fuse in, there's still no power, so let's check out the power supply. The power supply is located in the base at the front of the fixture. You will need to remove the two screws on the bottom of the fixture that hold it in place in order to remove it. Finally, after replacing the power supply, we've got power. In hindsight, I should have checked the fuse in the power supply before the ballast, but I found my issues, so all's well that ends well. Thanks for tuning in. Smash that like button and be sure to subscribe.